and gentlemen, on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilsbach, and all men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you to today's F22 demonstration. I am F22 Demonstration Team Superintendent, Master Sergeant John Lugo from Tempe, Arizona. As a proud member of Air Combat Command's first fighter team, located at Joint Base Langley, Eustis, 1,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. The Raptor will virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 1,000 feet. At a safe altitude, Captain Lawrence will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing his flight path and then roll while diving straight down.
Quick release. Chapter 1, call for Airshow, strength and honor.
So now, it is time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today.
Oh my God.
United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor.
Oh my God. What?
Then watches Captain Washington changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.